Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 43-inch Spanio LED TV with the fault sound okay, no picture problem, along with vertical lines on display. As we discussed earlier, mainly these types of complaints are due to internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. By implementing a simple temporary fixing method, we can solve this issue. But if both sides panel Gatesignals are short, then it's difficult to repair. This TV comes with a full HD panel with TCON board. Here you can notice the two FFC cables, which represents both left and right side of the glass panel. So here we are going to implement the taping method. The Gatesignals are marked on the TCON board. First we need to confirm which side Gatesignals are fault. So here first we are going to remove the left side FFC cable. See friends, after that also the complaint remains same. Now let's do it opposite side. See friends, now half portion from the left side of the display is okay, so this means that we need to block right side Gatesignals tracks almost last 15 pins using taping method. Here in this TV panel right side Gatesignals are short, so now let's implement taping method. See friends, now work is done in this condition. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now picture comes and the TV is repaired successfully. But always remember that this is just only a temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement. So that's it. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching.